Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. For your daily energies, your career situation and your relationship. I will be picking few cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that will come right after this daily energies, guys. Cancers. So let's see what are these cards. King of Pentacles, Ten of Cups in reverse, Four of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are a very skilled and talented person. So in your career, people look up to you for guidance and support, and you know the right way to handle your situation. So you are extremely successful and things are going in a very positive way in your life today, guys. Maybe in your career or even in your personal life, you have that happiness because of that, how things are going. But maybe it may be people you had faith on, or it may be this person you love. So your trust or that belief you have on them, that is shaken today. Something is happening that is making this belief or trust break a little, and you feel really worried because of that, because of how the circumstances are unfolding today for you guys, Cancer. So what this person did or what they said about you, behind you maybe, so that may be really worrying. You cannot believe it that they said these words, and this person cannot be trusted, you feel, guys. So the words they said or their actions, that is breaking the trust and faith you have on this person. But no matter what your situation is, you have that acceptance because maybe for some of you, you would have expected this for some time now. You would have expected that this may happen sometime soon. So you have that acceptance in your heart, and you have that you are happy that you had that intuition that this situation will come about, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. If you want a more detailed love reading, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can choose that card, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. So let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is. Building blocks. So this card means that in your life today, guys, in this connection, in this relationship, you are building a strong foundation in this connection, and a beautiful relationship is in progress. So, the appearance of this card just means that you are attracting a new positive connection in your life, and maybe you are solidifying the ones you already have. And the means of building that foundation, that strong foundation, how do we do that? It is through honesty, humility, and clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand each other. So you are moving towards that laying of that groundwork for this relationship with firm footing that will ensure it can withstand any storm. Long standing relationships are also repaired and strengthened. You and the other person are stronger and wiser, more powerful together than apart. But if you feel that this is not true and you are not sharing that understanding with them, with that person, and you are not moving, this connection is not moving in a positive way. So, if that is the case, then it means that you have to address the cracks in the foundation of your life. Perhaps your values have changed and it's time to strengthen your convictions and let go of things that no longer serve the vision you have for your life. Or perhaps you can choose to ignore the signs that a situation or agreement you have entered into is not right for you. Remove the rotten pieces and reinforce your core moral strength and integrity. Now is the time for rigorous honesty, for you have called to renovate and upgrade your consciousness. You will be so happy when you do. Spirit has a spectacular blueprint for your life, far beyond your imagination. Don't be afraid to replace what's not solid. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's start with the second card now. So let us see what is the card, guys. This is the second card. The card says, from nothing to everything. So this is a Rumi card, guys. It is based on poet Rumi's poems. So I will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry on what this oracle card is based upon. Oh, my friend, if you are longing to be written on, become a blank page. Rumi. So this just means that this card just means that we have to focus on letting go of identities, of knowledge and certainty, of opinion and even attempts at control. We may feel as though we are being stripped back to our core, and even then, perhaps further still, we may wonder if we can bear it all. Perhaps we are graced with the realization there is so much more, or perhaps we still don't get the hint and move into struggle as we try to enact what we think our story should be. We may hit obstacle after obstacle and create even more terror in our storytelling. That life is such a pain, a struggle, that success may not be for us, that we are forgotten and unheard. This oracle comes with the guidance for you guys. You are being asked to let go, to receive, to become empty, to be filled. This may mean letting go of attachment to a lover so you can receive genuine love. It may be of no longer holding on to a fantasy of your dream job, but of being guided in your most soulful and successful occasion. It may mean letting go of wishes for your body or health to be other than this. So you can simply get on with living each day, taking steps into wellness without thinking beyond one day at a time. It is the divine paradox that when we are asked to surrender a story or fantasy, it is because reality is knocking at our door more often than not with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So it may be very painful and bring you much grief, but all that is dying is your attachment and opinion about how it must be. This needs to happen so you can stop dreaming and start living it. That is the essence, guys. So we may have certain ideas how our relationship should proceed and what should be in this love, but what is the truth or what is happening, the true unfolding of events, experiences, that is not in our hand, and we must be present to see the beauty of how things are unfolding today. So you have to stop dreaming and start living in reality. Do not fear any part of this process, guys, because when you embrace without expectation, you will see that all your fantasies, dreams, whatever it is, it will be fulfilled in a very unexpected way, and you have to have that trust in that divine. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. So I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.